I'm just finished watching Goyo, the boy general known as General Luna. So grabe nga movie, no? Inspired yun siya. So si General Luna, kaya kanya i-sacrifice yung self para sa country. Slap kanyang country po, Pilipinas. So I'm going to start, no, sa reflections based po sa movie o sa question. Question is, how did the movie reflect Filipinos' values, struggles, or identity? So based on movie, General Luna shows the deep love for country that many Filipinos have, but also highlights the problems like selfishness and lack of unity. It reflects how personal interests and regionalism can weaken the fight for freedom. So second is what emotions or realizations did the film awaken in you? So this movie made me feel like feel proud, no, of Lunas. Siyang kaisog, you know, but also sad kay lagi frustrated, no, kay betray siya by our own people, by his own people, like Filipino forget. So it made me realize that how important unity is and how internal conflict can destroy even the strongest causes. So the third one is why it is important for Filipinos to watch film like General Luna. So it's important, very important, because it teaches us about our history. Dari na ito matun-ano kung how sang etabo sa past, katabang ni sa to po, no, to understand how the value of patriotism and unity. So in films like this, no, it remind us not to repeat the past mistakes, so to work together for our better future. Wala to, guys.